Let us discuss about an important interview questions for SAP FICO consultants. Okay, the question is, what is GL account group? Before we understand the GL account group, let us now understand account group. Okay, what is account group? An account group in SAP is a configuration key used to classify master data such as GL accounts, customer accounts, vendor accounts, and control its presentation. It determines which fields are mandatory, which fields are optional, which fields are hidden, and which fields you want to have a display purpose during the data entry or master data creation. And it defines the assigned number range intervals. For example, when it comes to GL account, it controls the number range, like one series will be your liability account, two series will be asset accounts, three series will be revenue accounts, four series will be an expense account, and it also controls the fields while posting the transactions or while creating the master data. How to create this uh, particular account group is, it depends on the what kind of master data it is. Like if it is a GL master data or GL account group, the T code is OBD4, customer account group is OBD2, vendor account group is OBD3. Now let us understand how it controls the GL account group, or what is GL account group is. Let me go back to my Excel sheet, and GL account group is in SAP is a classification tool used to organize similar GL accounts or similar nature of accounts within a chart of accounts. It determines the account number range and controls which fields are mandatory, which fields are optional, which fields are hidden, or which fields are displayed when creating or maintaining the GL master data. So how to create this? Now let us go to the T code OBD4, where we can configure the account group or the GL account group in SAP. So let me log into SAP and we'll create the configuration, or we'll create this account group. So let me log into SAP, and this is my user ID, password, and the transaction code is OBD4, or even you can go by path SPRO, as it is a configuration screen, and click on F5, and now you go to financial accounting, then go to general ledger, then go to master data, GL accounts, preparation, and here is the account group. Click on this and it will take you to OBD4. Okay, so when you come to this particular screen, you need to click on the new entry and you need to enter your chart of account. So what is your chart of account? So in my case, my chart of account is HGL, and I have to enter the account group. Okay, which account group you want to create? Like as I told, the GL account group can be configured as per the 1 series, 2 series, 3 series, 4 series. So 1 series will be your liability account, 2 series will be asset account, 3 series will be your revenue account, and 4 series will be your expense account. So within this 1, 2, 3, 4 series also, we can further segregate into different number ranges. Like for example, let me show you, like this way also we can configure the account group. Like for example, here you can see this particular current liabilities and provisions can be configured as 1010001 to 102,000, and accumulated depreciation account can be configured as 1 lakh to 1 lakh 1000. So like this, all my 1 series accounts are within the range, and within the 1 series also we have further segregated to the different numbers like this. And when it comes to asset account, so current asset and fixed asset are again divided into two parts, like 2 lakh to 2 lakh 1000 is current assets and advance loans and advances, and fixed assets are segregated as 2 lakh 1001 to 2 lakh 2000. And when it comes to income, or you can say revenue accounts, we have three numbers. So yeah, you can add any more numbers also. Like if you want to create more number of account group, like 2 lakh 2001 to 2 lakh 3000, something like that, based on your requirement, how many number of accounts you want to create, you can enter the numbers within this account group. And when it comes to expense account. Yeah, we have here some more number of expense account groups are here: admin, depreciation, interest, manufacturing, personal cost, and raw material consumption, and many more. If you want, you can create it. So in SAP, yeah, based on my chart of account, this is my chart of account, this is my account group, and this is the description, this is the number from number 2. So like this way, we can create the number ranges and the account groups in SAP for account group, the GL account group. So yeah, instead of entering in this particular screen one by one, you can simply copy paste this all the details what we have entered here. Only we need to replace this account group. So my account group is HG, my chart of account is HGL, and I will just simply replace this and copy this all the number ranges whatever we entered and paste it here and enter, then click on save. So you can store this in a separate transport request, or since it is an educational system, so I'm just entering in the same transport request. Just continue, and yes, we have successfully created the account group in SAP, the GL account group in SAP. So for more such videos or such information, such class videos, please subscribe to my channel, and please like and share this video if anyone is interested to watch this. Thank you.